Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anita and this is my first video talking to you directly with my voice. And this is what makes this video special, as I promised to you in this post. So I hope you will like it and enjoy this chit-chat time. Another reason why today's video is special is the title. I want to quit on hijabelle. If you do not feel happy with this decision, maybe because you supported the channel from the very beginning or watched a couple of my videos and you liked them, then let me tell you that you should be happy because it's not anymore my own decision, but it's yours too. So if you want to know what makes me want to quit on hijabelle and how you can change it, bring something to drink and keep on watching this video. For 2 years I started to study YouTube to create my own YouTube channel for the reason to make an extra income by doing something I like to do, which is making videos. So I created a couple of channels that sadly didn't work, and then before 10 months, exactly in September 2020, I started this channel in the purpose to share inspiration I get from hijabi style and outfits, doing makeup, fashion hacks, the same I do with my friends and sisters, and of course in the end to make it as an income source. Alhamdulillah, it did work because of Allah in the first place and because of you and your support. So let me thank you for 5,000 brothers and sisters that we are today. Now the issue is, hijabelle wasn't accepted for the monetization program, which means I cannot make money with it, which means I'm wasting my time making videos and I can't go further with this channel. So honestly, exactly during the week of this Eid, I was so disappointed and decided to quit on it. But Alhamdulillah, I was watching you, keeping supporting me through your likes, comments and new subscribers each day. I know it's only numbers on my analytics page, but I can feel you as much as I suppose you can feel me through my videos. And that's why this is not anymore my own decision. So if you want me to keep going with this channel and help it to survive, please take a time and write whatever you feel about it in the comment section. And if you are new or used to watch my videos and you are not subscribed yet, this is the best time to do it, because you can give a chance to this channel to shine. I invite you to follow me in Instagram when we will discuss inshallah more, and you can answer the surveys I highlighted. You can find the link in the description box. If inshallah we decide together to grow this channel, I'm looking forward to give more value and diversify the content. I mean, make it more than only fashion and beauty channel, but also share and talk about different topics that can be useful, helpful and enjoyable. I can't wait guys to see your interactions, and inshallah it will not be the last video on this channel. This is the end of this video. I thank you guys so much for sticking with me into the end. See you inshallah the next time. Take care of yourselves.